Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to download Little Red Book. First, open the App Store on your phone. If you are using an Android phone, go to the Google Play Store. If you are using an iPhone, go to the App Store. Once you are in the App Store, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type Little Red Book or Xiao Hongshu into the search bar and press Enter. In the search results, look for the app named Xiao Hongshu or REDnote. It is a social media app that is popular in China for sharing shopping experiences and lifestyle content. Tap on the app icon and you will see the option to download or install the app. If you're on Android, tap on the Install button. If you're on iPhone, tap the Get button. The app will now start downloading. Once the download is complete, you can tap Open to launch the app. That's it. Now you know how to download and use Little Red Book. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.